Let's review the Earth Rhythm Reusable Makeup Remover Pads. You get two pads in this package. I have already unboxed one. The size is really big. The material is soft. These pads can be used to remove facial makeup, eye makeup, foundation, lipstick, eyeliners, mascara, etc. It is also mentioned that these are suitable for all skin types and last up to 200 washes. To use it, just soak the pad with water, toner, or makeup remover and wipe off your makeup. So let's try it and see if it works. I'm using water here. Let me just soak the pad with some water. Now place the pad on your face for 10 to 15 seconds and wipe gently to remove the makeup. This is actually the first time I'm using pads to remove the makeup and I think it works. I have removed makeup from just one side of my face so you can see the difference between both sides. Now let me clean the rest of my face and look how much makeup the pad has soaked up. Let me know what you think and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So let's try it out and see. So let's try it. Okay. Today I have this Earth Rhythm reusable makeup remover pads. So let's review it. Today let's review. Today let's review this Earth Rhythm reusable makeup remover pads.